All right, we're going to get you out of the 3 things that you need to know about tomorrow's alert day. That full list, you can check it out right now as you're heading to bed, scrolling there on WTOL.com. The risk of severe storms, it's going to be first and foremost. Damaging winds will be that elevated highest risk. Hail as well could be over 1 inch in diameter. And the isolated risk, can't rule this one out, of a few isolated tornadoes as those storms really get going through the mid to late afternoon hours. The timing is still going to be possible, noon to 9 p.m. I get it. It's a long duration event. We could get not only 1 but 2 rounds of storms that do come into the area. Want you to have that WTOL 11 weather app downloaded. In fact, I've got several videos waiting for you. If you want the timing and the storm impacts, you can check that out. And of course, the hour-by-hour forecast, one of the great features as we scroll into tomorrow morning. Here's going to be the crucial part of the forecast. Do we get that sunshine in the morning, which will fuel the afternoon storms, giving us that storm energy? It is going to be a humid, soupy feeling day as we go through tomorrow. Highs did make it up into the 80s today. Temperatures right now back into the upper 60s and low 70s. Calm winds and fairly clear skies. Well, let's move forward, though, into what we're going to be expecting for the day tomorrow. We'll start tomorrow morning back in the mid 60s, but here comes that storm system that will bring us the severe weather risk. We issued that alert day and I started talking about it yesterday to give you that advanced warning. Severe storm risk is going to be possible. Damaging winds will be the top risk, and I do expect a large hail and isolated tornadoes as this system sweeps down into central Michigan. It's going to drive a warm front into the area, clashing eventually with a cold front late in the day that will prompt that risk of severe storms. Anywhere from the thumb of Michigan right through northwest Ohio. In fact, all of Ohio under a fairly significant risk of widespread severe weather. Now, that severe storm risk and some of the latest data that I'm looking at, widespread wind damage is the biggest concern. Those wind gusts of 60 to 70 miles per hour or greater would have the potential of widespread power outages. So I want you to be prepared for that. That could be one of the biggest impacts. Now, the timing of this one, pay close attention to this tool. That hour-by-hour forecast shows you when we've got clear, dry conditions, likely first thing in the morning. We get a few scattered showers and thunderstorms. Now, the latest data showing that first round, maybe not so much, just a few showers, a couple rumbles of thunder. But if we do get that to materialize, that's going to give the second round more energy to work with late afternoon and evening. So here's the timing. 4 to 5 p.m. Storms rolling into the area. That's a solid line of some serious storms, bringing widespread wind damage, potentially some rotating storms, and very large hail. I'll stop the clock. 7 p.m. We'll still have strong to severe storms rolling through the area, and it's nearly a continuous line of storms. I expect most areas will get that chance of storms through the day tomorrow. The high wind gusts going to be the biggest concern. Could top 70 miles per hour. Large hail over 1 inch in diameter. And we can't rule out the risk of some rotating storms and a tornado threat. That's severe risk tomorrow, highlighting our alert day, mid to even upper 80s. It is going to be a warm, sticky, humid day, and you're going to feel that risk of storms that will be in the air. Likely chance of storms, strong and severe, tomorrow through about 9 o'clock. Once we get past that, that storm threat will clear. Low 80s into Friday, and we'll continue with gorgeous weather into the weekend. Saturday, Sunday, both looking outstanding. Next chance of storms beyond tomorrow, it's on Monday of next week, and then some signs, some heat builds next week. We'll look for that late next week. Highs back into the low 90s.